My topic is all about Steve Jobs. Do what you desire. As I'm watching the commencement speech given by Steve Jobs at Stanford University in 2005, instant up, quiver up in my body. It was not an ordinary speech that would you hear in high school and college graduation, but it was a speech given by an individual who enforced us in trust in something you got, destiny, and life. In addition, Jobs articulates us to always have faith what you do and live each day as long as you last. Not only have we heard how the company was derived, but also the three main lessons we should remember in the future and life. Everyone knows who Steve Jobs is, but everyone does not know is he became so wealthy. It is because he confident in what he did and he always had hope something good will it happen. And sure, he lived it to the fullest. Life is limited, make it count. Seriously, hats off Steve Jobs and his work. That's why I salute Steve Jobs.